Okay, so Twitter is micro blogging website. When we are saying micro blogging website means blogging is what? Any idea what is blogging? Blogging is time sensitive information publishing. Means whatever information you are publishing on the regular time interval, like time is most important aspect of the blogging. If you have a blog, the most recent, the latest blog has the most important thing. uh, on any topic whatever you are producing, the latest information which is published is termed as like it's the most important, most recent, most accurate. So in Twitter, we are doing microblogging. Microblog means we are publishing the information, but it's in the limited character, and we have to publish the content in 280 characters only. When you are writing on the on Twitter, it's two. You have to produce the entire information in 280 characters. Initially it was 140, 140 character थे, अब हो गए हैं 280, in 280 characters. So keeping that factor in mind, that we are getting information bombardment from all source, like whether it's a TV or YouTube or like different kind of social media. So all audience are getting so much of information, and sometimes you feel left out. Like if you are not going through all the content, let's suppose on my WhatsApp there are 1000 messages. If I'm not going all through messages, it feel like we are missing something, isn't it? Keeping that thing in mind, if you are producing the condense, like very to the point, when you have a limited character of 280, so you are not going into the formalities of welcoming or introducing or like any formality is not there. To the point, you are whatever you have to communicate, we are communicating to the point, because 280 character is the limitation. So that to the point, crisp and latest information, you can say that Twitter is the platform where people are active for this reason. Which audience is most active on Twitter? Any idea? What kind of, like in LinkedIn we have talked about professional networking website. Instagram, youngsters are there more. Facebook, majority of the age group is comparatively 25 plus. Our housewives or working professionals are there. But in Twitter, what kind of audience you, any idea what kind of audience they might be on the Twitter in abundance? uh, all the news media, entertainment, politics. So these people, celebrities, these are very very active on Twitter. If you want to reach out those media people, political figure, and this like entertainment industry, they are very very active on the Twitter. And you will be surprised to know that uh, s- like 80% nowadays, 80% of the news, first time the news are breaked on Twitter only. Like first source of news, if someone is resigning or someone is launching one new movies or any kind of news, 70% of the world population is getting that news. Their first interaction of that news is from the Twitter. So if you from the news background, Twitter is the place you have to be present there. All right. Got the basic of Twitter, what we are supposed to do here?
Yes.
Yes. So when you are going to create account, let me show you. When if you have not, if you don't have any account, I'm just showing you from the scratch. Account creation is basically uh, same on all platforms. So here you can log out, right? And so here you can click on, when you want to create your account, sign up. If you have already account, you can go for login. So we are signing up. When you are signing up, you can name and phone number. Let's suppose I'm creating an account on the name of this name always belong to should belong to your living human being. So I'm creating here. You can use date of birth. So here you can go for next. So now, because you are on the Twitter, uh, there are two things. You can follow the people and people can follow you. So followers and following. Followers and following. Followers, whoever is following you are those are your followers. What happened to the followers? Whenever you publish any tweet, whenever you are doing any kind of content publishing on the Twitter, your followers will get that information, get that tweet in their feed. So whenever they will open their Twitter account, they will see they will see all the information, all the tweets to who they are following. So from your point of view, people can follow you and you can follow the people. So whoever is following you is your followers. And if you are following someone, you are following that person. So when you will open your Twitter account, you will see all the feed from the people to whom you are following. Let's suppose I am following PMO office. So whatever tweets PMO office will do, I will see that updates in my Twitter homepage or Twitter timeline. If you are following me, if someone is following me, whatever tweets I will do, you will get that in your feed. So if to get started with, when you will just getting started there, to complete that feed, when to see that information, what kind of information you want to see in your feed, there you have to decide that customize your experience. You can decide to whom you want to follow, what is your interest area. According to your interest, you can start finding the people and you can follow them. So if you have interest in news or politics or entertainment or digital marketing or real estate or whatever is the topic, you can select that what kind of information you want to see when you are opening your Twitter feed. So accordingly you can select that. Twitter uses this data personalize your experience. So whenever you will open Twitter, your own Twitter account, you will see the information to whom you are following, right? Follower is clear to all of you? Following
Yes,
follow, yes.
yes,
So this is the public information, like number of followings, number of followers will be available for your account. It will be available. You can see that how many people you are following and how many people are following you. So it's always good idea, we always try that number of followers should be greater than the number of following. It's whoever you are following should be less, and people following you means number of followers should be bigger. We always try that our number of followers should be bigger than the people we are following. So we always try to do that. How to increase that followers, we will look into, we'll look into that. So here you are clicking on sign up. So it's asking for the phone verification. Just give me 1 second. I'm verifying the phone. So it's 199,627. 199,627. It may say that that I have already used this number. I'm not sure whether it will accept as a new account or not. But this is the process you have to follow. And when you are getting things, you need a password as well. So you must have again, I would say, because on digital media every day you are creating new account on different platform. So you must have a separate exclusive seat to manage all your user ID and password, especially if you have any project, if you're managing your project or any particular kind of business. So your all the user ID password related to that project should be at one place. So now congrats, your account is created. So is it easy to create account?
Yes, absolutely.
All right, so here it's a profile image. You can just select profile image. Mm, let's see if I have any profile image. I'm not sure what kind of image this is. I'm just so here you must have a profile image, then you can apply. So now you are going to write this is a very brief 160 character introduction you have to write. So here I would suggest whatever you are writing, it should be the mixture. It should be the mix of few related keywords and the entire summary of why you have created this Twitter account, to whom you want to connect, what value addition you are going to do, what is the industry, in which industry you are dealing, what kind of audience you are helping, you are intended to help. So according to that, you can describe your bio. So summary of all these you can write in 160 characters. So, so whatever you can write. So right now I'm writing this one. You can write you whatever character limitation you have been, because you have very limited character given in the Twitter. So I would suggest you should be using the entire options available. So 160 character, you should consume the entire 160 characters. So once you have given, and then you will decide your language. So here English, and then whatever interest you will select according to the top tweets from that industry, it will start up appearing. So if you are interested in marketing advertisement, so you can select your interest area. So you can follow these people. These are you, if you want to follow them, so whatever they will update you will see in your on your feed. So you can follow these people. Let's suppose you are following ISRO, right? Then you can click on next, no, at least. So when you follow someone you will see their tweets in your on your home page. So is that fine? So notification, whenever you are turning on notification on your desktop, you will see that notification. Some any kind of Twitter activity will happen. You will see the notification on your in your desktop. So I don't want to go activate that notification. So right now we can skip for now. But if you want, you can have notification on. So now you can see that topic industry you are following marketing, so that's why you are seeing these tweets, and you are following ISRO, that's why you are seeing the tweets from ISRO. So this is your home page. When you land, this is the home page you are going to see, right? So here again, hashtag. What do you mean by hashtag? Why we use hashtag? Home you clear. Home you got that. This is the feed you will see. Left side, what are the options available to you to manage your Twitter accounts, and right side, what is the latest one, so that you can see. There are few recommendation according to your email ID or according to your past activity, that you will get some notification from here. And this is your Twitter handle, Bhavna. This spelling is your Twitter handle. So you this is your identity. Whenever you are sharing your Twitter address, you are going to share that at the rate Bhavna, BHAR. This is the Twitter handle, which you can change. If you want to change, you can change. So if I want to change this Twitter handle, we can change, like, we can go to the profile, and there you can click your profile. So after creating the Twitter account, the second option, second, you must complete your profile. So you must have to complete your profile. So let's suppose this is, you are using this as a profile pic. Here you are writing, you can write your bio. Here you can write the location. Here, if you have a website, you can write your website, right? So this way you can complete your bio. And if you want to change your Twitter handle, you can, next thing, once you complete, once you have created the account, completed the profile on any social media, must go and review your setting and privacy. So setting and privacy, where you are deciding that what information you want to keep in the public domain, and what information you want to keep for only for your followers, and what you don't want to share with anyone. So there are three different kind of information. When it's a public information, when whatever is public information, that means even you are not sharing it, it is picked by Google robot, or any search engine bot can crawl that information, and that information may be available in the Google search engine result page. So public information is not only for the human. That means that information, any bot or any software program can also read that information. So you can keep that factor in mind, that what information you want to keep public. So all the setting and privacy, I would suggest to go for all the setting and privacy. Right now I'm not going into that much of detail, just seeing if I can change the that Twitter handle. Right. So here you can change the password. So some interface, otherwise all the information, whatever changes you are doing, all you are going to see in the setting only. I think some changes happen. I have to look into that, where you can change the Twitter handle. Here you can see that to whom you can block, or you can make your tweets accessible to the related people only. Audience and tagging you can do. Okay, you should be able to change your. Actually, this is your address. This is your Twitter address. And this address, you have the option to change this address. So once you can change this address. Okay, first you have to give the password. Whenever you are doing any major changes, first you have to confirm that you are the right person. So then they will allow you to see that. Yes, here you can change the username. So if we want to change our Twitter handle, so here whatever name is already taken, that you cannot see, that you cannot take that name. So it should be less than 15 characters. So now it's available. So they are also suggesting you some suggestion. If you are not getting the desired name, you can also go for this suggestion. This is taken. Digital Seekers is taken. Digital Seeker is also taken. So right now I'm keeping this one, and then you can click on save. So this username, it will be changed, and this is your Twitter handle, which you are going to share with wherever you are sharing about your Twitter account. You are going to use this this username. This is your identity. This is your address. So in your CV, or in your visiting card, or on your website, wherever you will talk about that you are present on Twitter. So you say that your Twitter handle is this one, Digital Seekers, or whatever name you are deciding. So rest all setting and privacy you can explore yourself. Rest of the setting and privacy. So whenever you are doing any major changes, you have to reconfirm your password to access and change those important things. Right. So here we have changed the account. Now we are going to see hashtag. How many of you remember the hashtag? Why we use hashtag?
It's content aggregator. Yes, shared it.
Yes, very right, very right. So hashtag is all about when virtually you are aggregating the content. So if you are like, you can see that what is trending hashtag these days right now. So spiritual Sunday. This is trending right now. Why it is trending? Because there is 6,389 tweets right now. The most maximum number of tweets you are there using this hashtag. So hashtag, if you have to express yourself, you can use this trending hashtag. So here we are talking about, let's write some quote. I'm just tweeting my first tweet from this account. So for example, this is the quote. Here you are writing. So once you gone through the trends, you have decided which trend you want to use. Here you can write whatever thoughts you want to right. So how much character is there? How much character? What is the character limitation here?
I think
280.
160. Okay,
280.
280. Oh,
Initially it was 140, and now it's 280. right? So you will see the difference. Right now I am doing this posting without any hashtag. So along with the tweets, Twitter character limitation is 280 character, but along with that you can add images, you can add gif, you can add a poll, you can add emojis, you can add a you can schedule the tweets for the future as well. So according to that, you can also add some complementing information in the form of images and polls and emojis, right? So right now I'm let's suppose I'm using any image. I'm not sure what is this. I'm just trying to use that. So here you right now I'm tweeting without any hashtag, right? Or if I want, you will see the difference. You can experiment yourself. You can tweet any tweets without, because this is the new account. We don't have any followers. And even if you are using one that most trending one, what was that? Spiritual Sunday. That was the trend, most trending. So I'm just using some related uh, trending hashtag. Right, so that way you can start that tweet and you will see the difference when you are tweeting with this trending hashtag and when you are tweeting without the hashtag. All right. Right, so here I'm not sure what I have included, but this is the way you can start your Twitter account, right? Is this fine? So it's very, very important in your industry. You can go and find the trending hashtag, and whatever you are talking, use that initially. If you don't have that much of followers to create the trend, so you can just go and explore and use the trending hashtag. So you can explore according to the news or sports or entertainment in your country, or whatever is in general trending. So according to that, you can find the trending hashtag and you can use while tweeting. So that will drastically increase your visibility of that tweets. So if you are using top trending hashtag, your content, like if you have used now, you can see that your your content will be somewhere available. So in this list, when someone is exploring, your content will be somewhere here. So how you are going to decide that which tweets is the trending one or the best one? According to that, the latest and the number of user action. The latest information that right now we have tweeted, our tweet was the latest one. That moment our tweet was the latest one, but at the same time, the number of comment or retweets or likes. So this will also decide if even in that trend so many people are tweeting along with that Twitter account, along with this hashtag, but which tweets will come on top. There are 5,000 6,000 tweets on these topics. Which tweets will come on top depends on that, the latest one, the most recent one, and the most recent user action. So any kind of tweets, retweets, comment, like, so this will give a new revival, a new life to your tweet. So every time what we do, whenever we are tweeting, after some time, if someone is retweeting, we can go and thank them. Someone is commenting, so we can go and reply to them. If someone is whatever, if any user action is happening, we go and acknowledge that user action. So every time your tweet is getting a new revival, so your chances is that your tweets will be on the top. So whoever is following you, your tweets will be on the top in their feed. So it's strategically, we also go and every 30 minutes or every 1 hour, we go and do some action on this on that tweet, which we want to be the recent one, which we want that our followers should see my tweets on the top of their feed. So we make sure that some user action must keep happening on that tweet. All right. So here you will see all the notification in this setting and privacy. You can go and do that setting. So what kind of notification you want to see, according to that you will see the notification. Message, what kind of messages you are going to see here. So anyone sending you the private message, that you will see. And mention, do you know mention? Any idea what is mention? So for example, Sanjay, you are on the Twitter, right? May I know your Twitter account? Sanjay is here. Okay, good morning, Meenakshi ma'am.
He is here.
Yes. So just suppose if you know if
Yes,
you are
I saw this many times at the rate of this
at the
name.
rate, yes. So this is called mention. So mention means whenever you let's suppose this is the session, I want to thank you all the participant. So what I will do, at the rate and your Twitter handle. So it's at the rate, if your Twitter handle is Shweta or Sweet Shweta, so I can write Sweet Shweta, or I can write at the rate mention Sanjara Sarma, or at the rate Meenakshi ma'am, whatever Twitter account she has. So I can write her name. So that way, whenever you are writing that mention, that means you are directly addressing to that person. So even if you are mentioning PMO office, this is the, you can say that this is the beauty, this is the most important aspect of the Twitter account. So if you are writing PMO office, very good morning. So this account will get a message that Bhavna has mentioned you. So they will get the immediate, if you want the immediate attention, urgent attention from any account, so you should be using mention. So they will get, for sure they will 100% sure that your message has reached to that account. And these mention people are using like anything these days. So you have any issue with railway, you are directly mentioning to the railway minister. If someone, anyone has a issue with foreign policies, so they are directly mentioning to the foreign secretary or foreign ministry, or like uh, foreign minister, whatever, who, so they can directly address, you can reach out directly to anyone here, virtually anyone. If they are present on Twitter, if they are active on Twitter, if they are coming and reviewing their login into their Twitter account, so you can send your message to that person directly. All right. And it's not the private message, it's the public so it's a public proof that you have sent this information to. Whenever you are mentioning, it's not only you, it's entire, all your followers are also aware that you have sent some message, sent some tweets to the PMO office. All right. So every, here you can change the privacy setting. You can make it public, means everyone can see, people you follow. So your whatever you are posting, you want that that should be visible to the only the people I follow, and only you mention if you want that this should be visible only and only to the person to whom you have addressed. So that setting you can also do. So this setting is also available. All right. So here you can tweet as well. All right. So every time, according to the tweets, according to your mention, according to your hashtag, according to your email ID and phone number, Twitter is keep suggesting you that you can follow these people. So as soon as you will start following, they will their feed will start coming on your feed account. So now I hope it's clear. Mention and hashtag is clear.
Yes.
Yes, because on the Twitter, lifespan of any tweet is very less. So it's if you are following, let's suppose 20 people, and you are going home and seeing the feed, so majority of the time your home page will be filled with the tweets who is tweeting very frequently. Let's suppose I am following Ishro as well as I am following Shweta. So Isro is posting 20 tweets in a day, and Sweta is posting 2 tweets in a day. So when I will open my feed, I will see all the tweets only from the Isro. The Sweta's tweets may get lost because so many tweets from Isro only. So you have to find your rhythm, you have to find your frequency, that which frequency should be the balance. It should not get bombarded with that your whenever your user is opening their account, they are seeing all the tweets only from you. So that should not happen. And at the same time, it should not be that less that your tweets is getting lost in that crowd. So you have to find the rhythm, what is the ideal number of frequency. You can experiment with it. It's ideally once in an hour. If you are in the news industry, that every second you can post the new things. If you are in the entertainment industry, yes, every hours you can post. If you are in the manufacturing industry, it's not necessary that you should be posting every hour. Once or thrice or 5 times in a day is fine. So depends on to whom you want to reach, what kind of people are following you, and that in which industry you are. Accordingly you can find your frequency, you can find your rhythm, that how frequently you should be updating. So here they have given you the link. Here we can go and see the link, and it's a mention. So CII, so it's a mention of this Twitter account.
So as you told that we don't want that 20 or इसरो ने करा है and then 2 I have
Hmm.
done. So how can we stop that? अगर हम चाहते हैं इसमें
Yes, it's not you can stop that. But yeah, if you don't want to, you want to follow but you don't want to see the tweets from that account, you can go and mute that. So in the more section in privacy and setting, you can mute that people. Mm, mm, you
but
can
after
go.
muting also we will get that whatever they are doing.
No, if you are muting, your their feed will not appear on your wall. If you are
बट
muting
इन
and
व्हाट्सएप भी सी ना, जैसे कि म्यूट करने के बाद भी वो आता है, बस आपको नोटिफाई नहीं करता है, वो
हाँ,
नोटिफिकेशन नहीं आती.
no, where here if you are muting, you will notification anyway. We haven't started the notification, right?
या बट वो सारे
So
मैसेज
mute.
वहीं पे होते हैं ना.
No, here message will not there, especially if you want to organize like so much people you are following and you want to organize it at any point of time. I don't want to get overwhelmed by the same kind of information. There is another way out. Here you can manage the list of the separate audience. Right, list is like segregating the different tweets according to the topic. Here you can create a list, and for example, I'm creating a list of mm, let's suppose Indian political figure or sports or digital marketing. So let's suppose I'm creating a list of digital marketer, right? All from top 10 digital marketer. So you can make it private. You can add your cover images. You can make it public or private list. Here you have created a list, and now you can add member to the list. So when you are adding a member to the list, for example, who is the top digital marketer? There are so many. Neil Patel, right? So you are adding Neil Patel. right? And then Ryan Dice. Spelling I'm missing. So that way you can make a list of the like digital Deepak. I'm not finding that who is this that digital Deepak. Anyways, here you are, let's suppose you are finding. All right, so you can make a list of the people. So this way, once you have created the member list you have created member list. Now whenever you will go to that list, you will see feed from that person to whom you have included in that list. When you are going to home, here you are seeing feed from all over the places. You are seeing feed from sports or ISRO or technology or digital marketing, and you feel that okay, digital marketing content is getting lost here. I'm not able to like right now I am interested in digital marketing latest tweets, but here it's so many tweets only from the ISRO. I'm not able to find the right information. So you can create a separate list, and whenever you require, you can simply go to that list and you can see all the tweets from the member of that list, whoever you have included in that list. All the participant will is the member of that list. So that way you can create as many lists as you want. So you can create a list of friend and families. So you can include a member of that list, all your friend and families. So whenever you want to see the update from your friend and families, you can go to that list of friend and family. You have a separate list of sports. So do you want, right now you am interested in latest from sports, you can go to the sports list and
How
see
many
only
total list we can make?
as many. Then there is no such restriction. You can right now I don't know any number of restrictions. I have to check it, but you can create as many list, sports or only cricket or only Sachin or only that way you can segregate the tweets. If you are getting overwhelmed by so many feed from on your home page and you are not able to segregate, you can create different list for the different purpose, and you can make this list public and private. Once you are making it public, if people find this list interesting, people start following you for that list, because you are doing the right, you are doing the that hard work to go and find the right people and make a list of exclusive kind of information. So then they need not to do that research, they can simply follow that list and see the updates at one place. So this is also one of the way people start trusting you, people start following you, because you are taking the initiative to collect all the prominent personality tweets at one place. It's up to you whether you want to keep that tweets list public or private. Right, so list is clear.
Yes.
Yes, you can create as many lists. There is no such limitation. Yeah, whenever you have to create the list, you can just go to the list and create. This time you are creating a list of mm, suggest me. I'm creating a list of
Motivation.
let's motivation. Right here you can write latest motivation or personal development or something you can write, and then you can click on next and you can start adding member. So for example, I want to add Sadhguru I want to add Sadhguru quote, and I want to add Shri Ravi Shankar. I don't know what is his Twitter account. Anyways, so you can find, you should know that to whom you want to include in that list, and then you can start adding them. When you are adding, wherever you are seeing this blue tick, what is this blue tick means? Blue tick means they are officially official presentation of, they are authenticated account. So wherever it's blue tick means this officially authenticated account is that. Right, to whom, what else you want to add?
Officially what? Officially?
Official, they are the official, because Sadhguru is so big name, anyone can go and create the account on the name of Sadhguru, right? I can go and change my profile name, and I can change the Twitter account too. So it's up to you, you can go and change this your Twitter account to Sadhguru. Right. So how come user will know whether it's like Sadhguru official account? Even I can use the word official. Now, do you feel that it seems very official, like you are official representation of Sadhguru? So
Yes.
just to authenticate that this information from the this by a PMO office. So PMO office, whoever is publishing in the PMO office, they are responsible for sharing the information. They are taking the responsibility if they are sharing the right information or wrong information. So it's very important that to your Twitter account is authenticated one. So official like Tata or Microsoft or Infosys, so officially they are, if they are doing any announcement, their account should be official representation, so uh, they have to apply for that authentication. In that case, officially you have to present that you are the representative, you are the right person who is managing the Twitter account of that office.
Apply where? To Twitter office.
Yeah, yes, here in accessibility and display, here you will go, they will ask for verification, they will ask for the information, like if you are a if you are a company, they will ask for the company incorporations, or they will ask for like if electricity bill or telephone bill is coming on your name, or whatever you are claiming that you are that you are representing that office, you have to prove that you are actually a right person or not. So it's a little bit lengthy process. It takes approx 10 to 15 days. Once you have to scan the doc, they will ask for the document, you have to scan the document, upload it, they will verify it, and then if they find everything correct, then they will allow you to use that blue tick, they will give you that blue tick. Right,
Okay.
sometimes it's due to the over you can say that overwhelming number of people applying for the authentication, sometimes they stop it in a particular reason. So in India right now we are not doing any authentication, so it may also happen.
Okay.
uh, right, but yes, wherever you are seeing the blue tick, that means that account is taking the responsibility of that particular office. So whatever is getting posted from the ISRO account, that is the official announcement. You cannot take it that anyone is talking about, it's not a gossip, it's the official announcement. Right. So explore notification messages, bookmark what, because so many informations is coming right now, you are finding this information very important, but you want to refer this information in the future. So because Twitter is all about 280 character, 280 character is very less. So to tell the entire story, people write so many tweets. If I have to tell the entire story of what is the importance of Twitter, so I may write 20 tweets on that topic. So that 20 tweets, one by one, it's a, for my followers it may be overwhelming that they are seeing 20 tweets from the same topic, from the same account. Their entire feed is filled with my tweets only. So in that case, if you right now you are finding this information and you want to refer it in future, you can just bookmark it. So not interested in this tweets, so here you are giving indication, okay, here you are talking about that I don't want to see this tweets, so you can say that not interested in this tweets. So Twitter will make sure that tweets from this kind of tweet should not appear on your feed. It's not a guarantee one, but yes, somehow they will try to minimize the number of feed from that Twitter account to your feed. So unfollow, as soon as you are doing unfollow means no tweets will come from that account. There is no follower is your network. Followers and following is your network. So whenever you are following, then only their update will come to your account. So as soon as you are unfollowing someone, so their feed will not come on your timeline. Sorry, on your feed page. Add or remove from the list, that you can also do. Mute, you will not get the notifications. Block, again you will not do any communication with that account. Embed that tweet. Any idea what is embed? So embed is, they will give you one JavaScript code, and that you can embed it in your website. You can embed in any HTML presence you have on the web. If you have any HTML presence, you can just embed this here. You will get this code, copy this code copied, and you can just paste it in your website. So if you are pasting it in your website, so this tweets, now this will appear, this is a preview, this will appear on your website. So this way, like if you have created a website, you are not updating your website on the regular basis. You are not creating every pages or blogs or content. You are not updating your website on frequent basis, but you are doing tweets very frequently. So now when you are embedding your Twitter tweets, you can embed your tweets, you can embed your Twitter account, you can embed your list, you can embed your like whatever is Twitter, you can just organize it and then create a embed code, and that embed code you can embed in your website or any HTML presentation for that matter. So now you are saying to the people, even I'm not updating my website, but if you want latest information from me, you can follow me on Twitter. So without coming to your Twitter account, even your user can see what you are up to, what is the latest from your side. So you can embed anytime, you can embed any social media account. It's not only the Twitter. I would suggest, I have asked you that pick any platform and write 100 words every day. So that platform you should embed in your when you are not writing every day on your website, but you are embedding your Facebook or Twitter or YouTube, wherever you are active every day or more frequently, that social media account should be embedded in your website. So here we are talking about Twitters. So I'm showing you how you can embed a Twitter tweets or account. You can just copy and paste it on your website. But the same thing you can do with the Facebook, same thing you can do with the YouTube, same thing you can do with the LinkedIn. So you can choose a platform where you are updating the content very frequently, and get an embed code and use that embed code or use that information in your website or on your blog, where you are not updating the content that frequently. So user will get both the things. So whatever starting information you have provided on the website, they can explore that, and whatever the latest information you are talking about on the social media, they will also get to know that. So this is the embed is one of the important thing. Report, see, on the Twitter it's a public platform, anyone is talking about anything. So if so many people will report you, if so many people will report you, this tweets will come under consideration or red flag, and Twitter have a dedicated spam team. They will review and they may suspend your account. If so many spam reports happen, then they will suspend your account. So you have to be careful on that. Got that? Bookmarking. Okay, bookmarking option is not there. Bookmark option should be there only. So bookmark is basically you can mm, if you are finding anything important, you can just bookmark it, and anytime you can go come to the bookmark and see all your tweets which you have added for the future
From
reference.
where we can bookmark?
So here you can, it should be here only. I don't know why it's not appearing.
राइट साइड में जो है उसमें तो नहीं करना है?
Where the right side?
हाँ, जहाँ पे अभी क्लिक कर रहे थे आप, ऊपर जो 3 लाइन्स बनी है एरो के
हाँ,
पास में।
there only, here
नहीं, नॉट
only.
देयर, जस्ट अबव, अबव। जहाँ पे वो ब्लू टिक है ऊपर में, उसमें नहीं, और ऊपर, और ऊपर। इस वाले में सबसे लास्ट वाला, उसमें।
ये no, this is your browser setting. ये तो पूरे ट्वीट्स को ही, ट्विटर प्लेटफॉर्म को ही लाइक बुक मार्किंग यू आर एज अ ब्राउजर सेटिंग. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट you are bookmarking a particular tweet. So you can bookmark a particular tweet. Okay, let me see why it's not appearing. It might be, I don't know why it's not appearing. You can reply. Here you can add media, GIF, poll, emojis, schedule it.
I have searched for that to bookmark a tweet, tap the share icon under the tweet and select
Okay,
add tweet to bookmarks.
okay. Yes. So initially it was the part of here only. So now they have changed to the here you can add to the bookmark. Right. So that way you can just import whatever which you want to refer in future, that you can just click on that share, and then you can add to the bookmark, and that will start appearing in the bookmark. So anytime you can go in future and refer that what is important, that you can bookmark for the future. List we have already seen. You can create as many lists, add members to that list, and segregate the content on the twitters using that list. You can make the list public and private. You can remove the list, add member to the list, remove member to the list. That you can manage through the list. Profile we have seen. As soon as you are creating the Twitter account, you have to complete your profile, and then you can also segregate your content according to the topic, whatever you are interested in. Right now we are following this one. You can add more topic. So you are interested in startup, so all the content related to startup will start appearing in your feed. So topic, moments. Any idea what is moment? Again, it's very interesting thing. Moment is you can aggregate all tweets from the different account at one place, right? So for example, you can create you can create as many moment as you want, but it's a kind of you are collaborating with so many Twitter account, and then you are creating a story. So for example, this is the, you are writing this about this moment. Digital journey starting a digital journey, starting my digital journey. right, starting my digital journey. So in that case, you can write the description that what is the reason you have started this moment. You can add a cover images, and you can add tweets from the different like the tweets which you have liked, the tweets by a particular account. Let's suppose I have launched the batch and I have also tweeted about that batch, and you want to include that tweet in your account.
Can you explain a moment once again? Actually, was clear नहीं आ रही थी मेरे पास. Hello.
Yes, yes. Is it audible now?
Yes, yes. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible very much.
So एक बार explain और कर दीजिए moment के बारे में please.
Moment means you are including so many tweets to create a story around that. For example, it's birthday. Let's suppose it's your birthday. Now, you got a birthday wishes from Prime Minister of India, right? So you can just include that tweet from PMO office in that moment. You can add a tweet links to that moment. You can add a Twitter account to that moment. You can add a particular tweet to that moment. You can add it like so many things are happening about that particular moment. Something like India win the match. Now so many people are expressing their thoughts on that topic. Now you are creating a moment, and you are adding so many different views to that moment. So when someone will go and view that moment, they can see that five different perspective for that moment. On your birthday, what Pradhan Mantri has said. On your birthday, what your mother has said. On your birthday, what your family members have said. So that way you are creating a moment. I have taken the example of birthday, but it can be anything. It can be like you have completed your graduations, or you have launched your first business, or you have joined one course, or you have launched your first product. It can be, you have to create the moment. Got the idea? For example, let's take the example
Yes.
of this starting my digital journey. Happy to start my digital journey. Now here you are writing the description. Mm, excited to know digital media more closely, right? Whatever you can just describe that moment. You can add a cover images. So this is one of the images you have used. All right. Now you Twitter, right now we haven't liked any from this account. We haven't liked anything. So let me like one thing. So that I will, whenever you are liking is something related to you, then only you are writing. You are liking means you are interested in that story, then only you are liking. So you can include the tweets which you have already liked. So I have gone to the LinkedIn, and here and seeing all the tweets from the digital marketer only. I have also included Neil Patel, but Neil Patel tweets are very less, almost no. So here, let's suppose I have liked this tweet. All right. So I have liked this tweet. Now I want to include this tweet. You will see the list of. Okay. So I can include that tweet in my moment. So now is it creating a story? So your moment, you have described your moment, you have complement that moment with some images. Now you are adding some supportive content to that moment. Now you can also add this account to it from Bhavna. So Bhavna has started, it's about PMO office, but let's suppose I'm some, here I can search for so for example, anything about digital medium. So I'm including this. So it's not I'm including this to it from another account. It's a Bhavna Bhardwaj another account. So you can add tweets from another account. Now are you creating a story? So here you can search the tweet. I'm searching tweet from let's suppose I want to tell about Shweta has also started this journey. So if you are present here, I can, or Sanjay is there. So I want to, Sanjay has also talked about this course, like he is also very excited to start his course. So someone has talked about, I can search for Sanjay and I can include his to it as well. So some important like course link is there, or some survey link is there, or some certification link is there. I can go and include that link to the moment as well. So once it is done, we can publish it. Now got the importance of this is your this is your link for, you can this is a moment you have created. If someone want to see the moment, they have to go to your Twitter account and go to the moment, then only they will see. But if you want to talk about on your Twitter feed, so you have to tweet it. So here you can tweet it. Right. So can you create a moment?
Yes.
So you can say that is storytelling, because there is a limitation of 280 characters. 280 characters, you cannot tell everything. So now you are collecting so many different bits and pieces of that story, and then you are creating a moment.
Okay.
All right. So this is also very interesting thing, where um, it's like Twitter is, whenever information is coming from all the sources, it may create a chaos. So from that chaos, you are creating some meaningful things. So creating the list, creating the moment, bookmarking it. It's you are picking and choosing that why you are on this platform, what you want to, how you want to use this platform, for which purpose. All right. So I hope moment is clear to all of you.
Yes, yes.
So newsletter is the new addition. Newsletter, you can also publish the newsletter to your audience. So it's a weekly, monthly. You can newsletter is all about scheduled official communication. Scheduled official communication. So it's a monthly newsletter, weekly newsletter. So in that you are talking about all the updates, or all the happenings, or all the important points which you want to communicate to your audience. So for example, yearly that head of the company or owner of the company write a letter to newsletter to stakeholders. So now all these are, initially it was a physical letter. If you can remember that initially it was a physical letter. Everyone was getting that physical letter from CEOs that, okay, I'm thankful that you have invested in my company, and we are looking forward to do these things to increase the business of the company, and we are looking forward for your trust and something like that. Initially it was physical. Now then changed to that email. So now official communication was happening through the email. Now it's shifting to the social media. So even you can send a newsletter using tweets. So uh, here, Twitter newsletter tools to write and publish, compose and schedule newsletter, embed tweets. So compose and schedule newsletter, here you have more space to add more content, because when you are writing a tweet, it's 280 character, but when you are composing the newsletter, you can add, there is no such restriction of 280 character. You can write comparatively lengthy. Even there is a restriction, it's not like you can add any length of the content, but comparatively more words you can, more character you can include while you are composing. Import the email list. So now you have whatever email ID you associated with the Twitter account, you can just import all the email IDs and send that newsletter to them. And because this is the social proof, when you are sending a newsletter, you want to share that throughout that month, how you people have responded to you, any important thing you have done. So Twitter, if someone is tweeting and talking about you, or you have done any announcement, that is a social proof, so you can include that also in the newsletter. If people are subscribing to you, then there is an option, people can pay you for that subscription, for especially for whoever is interested in that curated and very curated, very specific, very to the point content. So it's newsletter, you can say that so many informations are available, but someone is doing research and collecting only and only important information which you are interested in, and then they are sharing with you, and you are ready to pay for that curated information. All right. So this is one of the extra tool LinkedIn has added. Do you want me to go do for it?
Twitter, no?
What?
LinkedIn or Twitter?
LinkedIn. I said LinkedIn. It's not LinkedIn.
Yes.
No, sorry. I'm talking about Twitter only. Right now I'm talking about Twitter only.
Yeah, that's what.
Yeah. It's Twitter, not LinkedIn. LinkedIn does not have any such feature of creating the newsletter. All right.
Uh,
This Twitter
that
Twitter
is why
has.
I thought,
Uh,
let me ask.
mm, so sorry. It's Twitter. Right now we are talking about Twitter only. So you can say that it's the additional tool. It's Twitter has supportive tools to be more active, how you can use Twitter platform in your favor according to your requirement. So these are the supportive tools: moment, list, bookmark, hashtag, mention. All these are the supportive tool to use this platform in your favor. So right now this is the new account, it's a totally new account. I'm not sure uh, how it will be going to, how it's they are going to allow us, but in new account there are some little bit of restrictions. So here we are creating get revenue. It's not get revenue, gets a review, but it's basically it's for making money. So get started, create a free account in a second by signing up and agreeing. So here you are signing up with the Twitter. So you on this we are giving authorizing this platform, get revenue platform, to um, Twitter is we are not creating a new account. Twitter account is getting used for this platform. I'm not sure the old password, I don't remember. But it's basically how you are aggregating, how you are collecting all those important information so that people are ready to pay you for that curated information. So you can just imagine so many videos are available on YouTube. Even people are ready to pay for the structured courses, isn't it? Why it is so? Because then you find the sense of starting and sense of finishing. You can focus on any particular topic for any length of time. So it's a structured way. So people are ready to pay for that structured information, even those informations are very very in like hours and hours of information. Every second people are uploading on YouTube. Even this e-learning or online learning or any kind of learning is very people are ready to pay for that, because there is a very crisp and to the point and structured and guided learning is there, rather than just swimming by your own in the ocean, in the ocean of the information, you can say that. So it's this platform where you can curate and earn money. You are investing your time to do the research and collect the information, organize those information, and then publish it. And then people, if they want, or your audience don't have enough time to do that research, they are ready to pay you to consume that content. Right. So Twitter ad is again for the new account. It might not allow you to run the Twitter ad, but Twitter ad is like any other platform advertisement. Here you can promote what you can promote in the Twitter ad. In Twitter ad, you can promote your own account. You can promote your own account. You can promote your particular tweets. You can promote a particular tweet to increase the number of followers or number of likes. You can promote your Twitter account to increase the account followers. So that kind of advertisement, whatever content you are publishing on the Twitters, so while running the advertisement, you can choose this thing I want to promote. To whom you can promote? So whatever information Twitter is collecting from their end user, that they are collecting from the end user date of birth, so that you can reach out according to the age group. Twitter is collecting the information location, so you can run the advertisement for a particular location. People are following a particular topic. Let's suppose I am following particular topic, that means this proves that I have interest in this topic. So while running the advertisement, I can reach out to the people according to their interest. So whoever is following startups, I want to show my course to that person. Whoever is doing that like interested in e-commerce, I want to show my course to that person. So running the advertisement, three major aspect: that what you are promoting, Twitter account, particular tweets, your story, your moment. So what you are promoting, first thing. Second thing, to whom you are promoting, according to the interest, according to the location, according to the age group. So you can decide that is your target audience. So everywhere you have to select the right target audience. So all platform will give you option to select the target audience according to the information they have about their user. So Google has the information about the keyword. So Google asks you to target according to the keyword. Facebook have the information according to their number of people like liking a particular page or interested in a particular topic. So you can target according to that interest. So in the same way, whatever activities user are doing, though as per those activities. So if you want to reach out to the people who is watching a particular news channel, particular news channel, so then you can target whoever is following Times of India, or whoever is following in what next news channel, Aaj Tak. So now you are reaching out to the people who is interested in Aaj Tak. So that is very easy way, because you can relate to that. You have clear idea if anyone is interested in entrepreneurship startup, they might be interested in digital marketing. So I will select I will target according to that. And third is billing, bidding, budget. Here you are also paying for, there are two major payment options, per click or per 1,000 impressions. But on Twitter you are paying for per 1,000 impression. There is no option of per click. There is no option of per click. You have to pay for the impression. Means your ad will appear. Let me show you if you can see any advertisement. Have you seen any advertisement so far?
No.
No. Okay. So you will see that whenever you will see there is a promoted written. Along with that, you will see promoted written. So you will see advertisement here in the feed, like it's a Twitter handle, and after that it will be written promoted. So now you know, understand that okay, this is the promote. It can be promoted account, it can be promoted tweets. So apart from that, you can also promote a hashtag. There is a promoted hashtag. So if any hashtag you want to promote, you can promote the hashtag as well. So these are the things which, what kind of what kind of Twitter content you want to promote. The first thing, to whom you want to promote, that is the according to the interest, age, gender, locations, target audience you can select. How you are going to pay to the tweeters, so you are paying for impression. Impression means one promoted tweets appeared here, so that is the impression, you have to pay for it. One promoted tweets appear here, so that is the impression, you have to pay for it. So you are paying for the impression. And apart from that, it's in general, it's all the, you are starting your tweets, initially you are starting your advertisement with the objective. What is your objective? Impressions, or awareness, or lead generations, or traffic on your websites. So that objective you have to select. And for all the social media, primarily I personally feel social media platform is fantastic platform for awareness, branding, and loyalty. Lead generation is comparatively, it's not that effective. Lead generation means someone is exclusively giving their personal detail, email ID and phone number to you for like they are showing interest in your product and services, and they are proactively asking you, okay, I'm interested in that product and services. So apart from all the platform, Twitter, if you want to use Twitter, primarily you can use it for the branding, awareness, loyalty. Loyalty means you want to reach out to your existing user again and again. So you have a set of audience, they are already following you, and you want them that they should recall your business again and again. So in that is recall value. So loyalty means existing user, you are reaching out to your existing user again and again. For that purpose, Twitter is fantastic. Lead generation, so far it's not that effective, and it's very common sense. Like, people are not there to do the business, to people are not going on Twitter or Facebook or YouTube to pay you. They are going for their entertainment and for information. Again, you have to find that entertainment and information. Whatever content you are producing here, that should be the mix of entertainment and information. If it is only entertainment, you are not sending your message, this is not going to help in your business. If you are sharing only and only information, people are not interested in that. So you have to find the balance of entertainment and information, infotainment. Then there is success on the any social media, especially on the Twitter, right? So for new account, they will not allow you to run the advertisement. Even if you will ask, you will start that, they will not allow you, because you have a new account, your account is ineligible to participate in the Twitter ad program. Learn about more ad eligibility. So I think they are asking for at least 7 days and number of followers, then only you can run the Twitter advertisement. So it's very simple, it's not that complex. You have to select the objective, select the target audience, select the things which you want to promote, tweets, accounts, hashtag, and then decide the payment method, and then you can run the ad. So reach potential customer, get more followers, and measure result. Twitter analytics is there. In if you want to see the result, So how it is work? It's you can select your target audience to whom you want to show, amplify your message, and get discovered. Means whatever tweets or account or moments or things which you are promoting, that will reach to this target audience. You can decide your budget, how much you are going to pay, and for what you are going to pay. How much means this is like my budget is per day 100 rupees or 1000 rupees, how much you are paying, and on what basis you pay. You have to pay, there is one and only one option available here. You have to pay for impression, 1000 impression, CPM, cost per 1000 impression. So on Twitter there is only one method to pay, cost per 1000 impression. So here you can get started, but right now account is new one, they will not allow us to get started. uh, all these, whether you are running advertisement or whether you have a simple account, all the analytics will appear in Twitter analytics. All right, it's available free of cost, so you can see. Okay, have you seen the difference? Right now we have created the account and tweeted two things. So here you have this trending hashtag and see the number of impression.
Yes.
And this is, you are you've created a moment but not used any hashtag, so see the number of impression or simple. So this is the reason why we use this trending hashtag.
Yes.
Right. If you want to increase the engagement, in that case you have to use some call to action. Always try to end with a call to action. Okay, what is your favorite quotation? What is today's quotation reflect today, something like that. Some you have to whatever you are tweeting, you have to ask your user to take any action. It can be what is the struggle you are following, or what is the biggest challenge you are facing, or what is your favorite color, whatever topic you are talking about. You have to end your tweets with some question mark. So as soon as you are ending any tweets with a question mark, chances are that people are ready to the people start working towards the answer, and if they're interested, they can share the answer. So three things very important. Impression will happen, then only next thing will happen. Impression is the most important thing. Impression means people are at least seeing that, okay, this is the content you are sharing. Engagement engagement, if there is engagement or engagement rate is high, it proves that people are interested in your content. If no engagement, if so many impression but no engagement, and it means they are not interested. Engagement is the reason social media exists. Engagement is the beauty of social media. Engagement is the If engagement is not happening, we are just creating a noise on the social media. We are not using social media, right? So engagement is the parameter, engagement is the direction whether you are using social media in the correct way or not. As soon as someone will like, the content will visible to their network. the when engagement will happen, then only your content is going to go viral. So 13 impressions, 13 people have seen that, but my message is not getting next not reaching to the next network. So as soon as, let's suppose Shweta has liked this tweet, as soon as Shweta will like this tweet, now this tweet will be available to Shweta's network. So Shweta has an entirely different set of network, and I don't have any access to her network. But as soon as she is doing any engagement like comment, share, tag, anything she will do, now this content is available to the entirely unknown people. So once they will find it interesting, if they will find worth in that content, if they are able to relate, connect with that content, they will also engage. So once they will engage, now this content is available to their network. So that way your content will, you don't know where your content will reach. So it's that way it's very important. I think here we have covered fairly about the Twitter. So any specific question about the Twitter? We will spend 10-15 minutes more time to conclude the Pinterest. Then we will conclude the social media. So are you finding this Twitter interesting one?
Yes.
Right.
अभी तक तो कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं समझ आ रहा.
अभी तक नहीं आ रहा है. ठीक है तो so here it's the matter of, like, if you want to establish yourself influencer, as an influencer, Twitter is the platform to be an influencer.
Okay.
And once you have the influencer status, influencer status means the number of people following you, and number of people following you first, and number of people actively engaging with your content.
अच्छा, ये जो आप अभी जो विनीता सिंह है, इसके ऊपर स्टार्टअप्स जो लिखा है, ये क्या है और कहाँ से आता है?
ये टॉपिक है.
ठीक है.
ये टॉपिक है. When I started somewhere, I have selected the topic I'm interested in.
Okay.
So I have started, let's suppose I'm interested in small businesses, right? So now this is the topic. So all the tweets, Twitter is recognizing the tweets in this particular topic. The popular tweets will start appearing in my feed.
आप वो करके दिखा दो एक बार, कहाँ पे आता है? जैसे यू हैव सेलेक्टेड स्मॉल बिजनेस, तो वो कहाँ पे आएगा
So
ऊपर में?
small business, ऐसे ही हमने ये small business. So Twitter is giving you a reason why you are seeing these tweets, because I have shown interest in this topic.
So maybe if we have selected 2-3, then एक ही select कर सकते हैं?
नहीं, as many. So as right
So
now,
फिर
most
कैसे
recent
वो?
one is a small business, so that's why it's appearing. Then a startup will also appear. Then if I have selected spirituality will also appear. If I will select any topic, whatever topic, it's a well mix of all these. So as many topics you want to select, the tweets from those topic will appear. So I am following these 4: small businesses, startup and marketing and advertisement. I'm following.
जैसे ओके, सो इट इज रिलेटेड टू अदर्स ट्वीट, और अगर हम हमारे वाले में होगा तो हमारे वाले में भी आएगा ऊपर में?
नहीं, it's a topic, and in that topic, like Twitter is labeling the tweet that this tweets belong to this topic.
So okay, Twitter is doing that.
Yes, you need not to do anything. You have
So
to
when you
just
will
select.
you have selected suppose small business, and you have posted any tweet, you have tweeted like for a small business, and in your tweet also it will be appeared.
No, how Twitter will recognize me that this tweet is related to business and finance, or this tweet is related to a small business? For that, I have to use the correct word. I have so many people should be like, comment, share, or tag with that similar things. Then only Twitter will tag it as a, label it as a small business information.
Okay, so we'll have to use keywords like no.
Yes, and user response.
Okay.
Right. So then Twitter will, it's all the entire process is fairly organic and automated. And majority of the time it depends on the, you can say, the two way. First way is you are talking about yourself. You are writing your tweets, you are creating your account, you are publishing the information. So whatever keywords or topics or content you are publishing, that is one indication to the Twitter, okay, this topic is related to these keywords. But second indication, 50% also depend, Twitter is also taking into consideration who is responding to you and how they are responding to you. So if it is other business owners are responding to you, or business news is responding to you, or they are mentioning you, that they are adding that to it in their moments, or they are some business are following you, so that is again an indication that your tweet is relevant to the business community.
Okay.
right? So two things, it's on digital medium, all the digital medium is trying to find the balance between two things. One, you are talking about yourself, and other, how people are talking about you. So you have the control over what you can talk, but you don't have any control how people are responding to you. So you
Right.
can just create a strategy and you can experiment with it, and then over a period of time you can learn it, but you don't have control how people will like how people will respond to you, right?
Hmm.
So here, are you going to use Twitter? Like, do you feel that you are?
Yes.
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 Right, fantastic, fantastic. So here I'm concluding
Anything
that
else you feel that we should know in Twitter
so
or
many
for
things,
Twitter? Because and
so many things, right? So right now I have given you just the glimpse of it, right?
yeah.
So when you actually do it and your objective is very clear that why you are doing it, then you will get to know, okay, so many things available to do.
Yes, absolutely.
See, three things are very important, three things, very 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 important. First thing, you should have the clarity that what is the purpose of using it, why we are using it. That
Purpose.
clarity, yes, purpose, if that clarity is there, then you will build a expertise and network in that particular domain. I have, let's suppose I have the clarity, I want to promote my digital marketing course here, right? First thing, I have the clarity that I want to promote my digital marketing course. Second thing, I have to build upon that domain. I have to build that expertise. I have to build the network on that, whoever is interested. I am creating digital marketing course for business owners. So in that case, I have to connect, I have to build the network of the business owners. So that is going to take time, it's not the immediate response.
And third,
And third, so see, visibility, the once you have decided that, okay, I have to I you have created something, digital marketing course, then you have decided, okay, this digital marketing course is for business owners, and then you are making that course or course information visible to the that network. So you have to establish yourself that you are the right person to provide the course, then you have to build the credibility on that. So it's visibility plus credibility. Twitter on right now I'm talking in context of Twitter, but is relevant for any social media. Visibility, you are writing, you are tweeting, you are following, you are commenting, you are running advertisement, it's all about visibility. But visibility alone is not going to give you the profit. You may get the numbers, number of impressions, number of engagement, number of comment, number of likes, you can get that numbers, but business is going to come with the visibility plus credibility. So there you have to establish the credibility. How you can establish the credibility? Credibility, when let's suppose you are every day you are sharing the information which is not easily available. In digital marketing for business owners, how business owners can manage digital medium with a less amount of time, in the only investing 30 minutes and they can manage their digital medium, or how to take advantage of Twitter account, or how to get the social proof for their business. So the information which is not readily available, which is not crisp and ready to consume or ready to use, or if it is not available, people will not show interest in you, in your content. So if you are consistent, you are helping your audience, there you are building the credibility. And once you are like, if you are doing Facebook live every day, or if you are doing YouTube videos every day, or if you are doing blog post every day, or if you are tweeting, I just share that, choose any platform and be consistent in that platform. Once you are consistent that platform, your consistency is the proof of your credibility. All right. And then people will start engaging with you, and then you can make the profit.
Okay.
All right.
Mm. Right.
So So here I'm concluding the Twitter. Do you want to do Pinterest? It's a very small topic, though it's a very big topic. But we have done the repeated things again and again on so many social media side things. So almost
Hmm.
same thing I'm going to repeat on the Pinterest, but in little bit different context. Have you heard about Pinterest?
Hmm. Yes.
What is that?
सुना है, पढ़ा नहीं है, उसमें कुछ कुछ देखा है। कभी कभी देखती हूँ बट इतना ज्यादा ध्यान नहीं दिया है मैंने।
Okay, so again, it's Pinterest is also a social media website for sure. Second thing, it's a image sharing website. Pinterest is primarily for the image content. It's a social media wherever you can build your network. That is the part of social media. Wherever you can create your community, wherever you can build the network, wherever people can follow you, wherever you are sharing the content and content is getting distributed to all your network, all your followers. People can real time interact with each other. You can build the community. These characteristics are available on any platform. That platform is part of social media. That is the defining characteristic of social media. That's why Pinterest is the social media platform, because here you can build your network, share the content to that network. All the communication can happen in the real time. So all the responses you can manage in the real time. So this is the part of social media, first thing. Second, in social media, media sharing is one of the
Real
reason that
time means, real time means what?
real time means right now you are commenting, anyone can reply to that comment right now, right? Like for
Okay.
example, it's a if you're watching TV and you if you want to respond to that TV, okay, your this content is good or very, if you want to appreciate that content, can you respond to that content in the real time?
No.
No, you have to write a letter, or you have to send them a mail, or you have to like call them, physically call them, okay, I like your channel, or I like your serial. It's not a real time,
Hmm.
right? But in social media, right now at this present moment, so many people can communicate on the same platform.
So it happens with it everywhere ना, social media जितने सारे पे होता है ना,
Yes,
या फिर
social media, yes, social media पे सारे पे होता
okay.
है
हाँ,
जनरल
बिकॉज
आपके अब
जैसे ही हमने करा वैसे ही लाइक आ सकते हैं और कमेंट
हाँ,
भी आ
it's
सकता है।
when you have a simple website, it's not going to happen on your website. For
राइट।
example, if it is TM hotel, people cannot respond in the real time here.
हम्म।
All right, so HTTPS is not working. So here, how can you respond in the real time?
नो, because for
It's
that we'll have to go to that website now specifically.
no, even I mean to say that, is this website a social media website? Because you
No.
cannot build a network, you cannot respond. So it's not a it's not a social media website.
Hmm.
Right. But any platform where you can build the network and do the communication with that network in the real
Ma'am,
time, that yes.
one doubt, ma'am. Ma'am, our in our website we have created SSL certificate and we embed SSL certificate. But last week we changed to new booking software for
Mm-hmm.
booking option.
Mm-hmm.
So after that, our SSL certificate symbol is not appearing, ma'am. I know what's the problem will be on that.
See, whenever you are implementing the SSL certificate, that code you embed on your header file, right?
Yes.
Right. And now you have upgraded your software, that might have changed your header file. They
Okay.
might have done editing in your header file, and
Okay.
new header file might have deactivated or removed, or sometime that code is not active. SSL
Okay.
certificate code is not active.
Okay.
So you have to go and check the header file, whether the code is there or not, whether the correct code is there or not, or whether the code is active or not.
Okay, okay. Then I have to. Otherwise, we have to repaste it, or we have to
Yes,
correct it.
better it's better that just whatever code is there, just remove it and do it again.
Okay, okay.
Right.
Thank you.
Right. So here, this is one of the issue whenever you are implementing anything in the header file and you are changing the theme, or you are changing any header file, or you are doing any major changes in the common file. So it might be possible that some of the feature will stop working. In general, whenever we are implementing anything in the header file, we take extra care to go and check the website that all the functionality of the website is working all fine. This is one of the like, it's so in WordPress or in different at this website.
Ma'am, I think it's not a WordPress. It says PHP. They told like that.
Okay. So in PHP, even they follow the framework, and in that framework there is a separate file for different section. So header file is a common even in the PHP framework, they maintain common header file for every page.
Okay. So I should say, tell my developer to recheck the header page regarding
Ye-
the SSL certificate.
Yes, yeah. So here you have to ask two things, that SSL certificate implementation. So it might be possible like your booking software may booking, whenever I'm clicking on the book now, it's going to a different page.
Yes, yes.
All right. So here it's a different here it's not your website. It's
Yes,
a
it's
secure
the third party. Yeah.
it's a, some other websites are there. So there you don't have any control. They will give you all the analytics, that how many people have clicked and all that, but till the user is here, all the things in your control.
Okay, yes, Kristen. Apart from
Right.
booking.
Apart from booking, the user is going there, then you don't have control, but till the user is here, you have to take care of their need.
Yes,
and,
correct.
and one of their need is they don't want to visit this unsafe website. It's unsafe means they don't, because they don't know, they are not aware about what this unsafe means. They are not aware about that. They might think that, okay, this is a virus, or this some as soon as they will see the unsafe or not secure, some negative thing is coming in mind. Right. So it's my responsibility that we have to reflect the trust that it's the safe website to visit. So as technically we know that it's unsafe means only and only the transaction between the two computer is secure, nothing else. Apart from that, there is no. If someone is trying to enter into your this transmission period, that when data is getting transferred from their local system to your server, that part is secured one, that part is encrypted and secured one. So
Okay.
anyway, you can try for the you can try for this right. So here, coming back to the this Pinterest. So as I share, that Pinterest is the image sharing website. So again, so I have to show it from scratch. Do you want to do Pinterest right now, or do you want to do it in the next session? Because it's already 9:17. We have planned for 9 o'clock.
So we have started late, no? So 9:20,
Sorry.
9:30 say, sorry, 7:30 say, I think we have started now.
Yes. So is it fine? Like you are okay? Like you are ready to consume the content?
So how much time it will take?
It will take yeah, good 30 minutes. It's going to take minimum.
So
Okay. So let's do that. As I shared that Pinterest, if you want to make use of the Pinterest,
can you
uh,
please see your timing?
hmm? No,
Sorry.
if you all of you are okay to consume, because I want that information should not overwhelm you. That just we have concluded the Twitter and we are moving. That's why I try to cover two topic, but when one topic is overwhelming, I want to give you the time to digest that before moving to the next topic.
So let's do it in next session. रहने दीजिए फिर.
Are you going to do practice on the Twitter then?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, fine, fair enough. So it's a on, doesn't matter how many social media website you are going to cover, almost everything, everywhere, same story you have to repeat. Go and create your presence, means account creation, profile completions, privacy and setting. That is the part of creation. And then building the network, so following, followers, interest, topic, like this is the this is network building. And then share the content. So share the content means frequency of the content, topic of the content, and then building the community. So how you can increase the number of followers, subscribers, that is the building the network. And third thing is analytics. So you have to see that who is engaging with you, how much of impressions, how you can increase the engagement or impressions or conversions. So same thing we are going to repeat on every platform. Create your presence, build your network, distribute or promote yourself in that network, and see the analytics.
Right.
Right. And for that we can use organic and paid. Either organically, free of cost, do the consistent posting and following. That is the organic one. Paid one, give money to the platform, they will promote your content.
Hmm.
So this
So
is the
let's do it in next week, because you are already tired because you were waiting for 7 o'clock till. So
Yes. I thought, I was planning that what time I should give. If they will not turn up by this time, I will switch off. So I was planning for 7:30. Okay, by 7:30 people will not come, I will turn off. But
so
luckily.
so it's already 2.5 hours for you. Continuous you're talking. We are just speaking
No,
in
no, it's
between
not.
some time.
Talking is not a matter. I talk a lot, like 8 hours a day. It's I'm going to on Monday to, like Monday to next Saturday. I think, I'm not sure if Saturday. Yeah, I will be able to take the session. So it's
Yeah,
8 hours
because it
continuous.
will be from 8, 9, 10 or 10:30 ना, जो दूसरा वाला बता रहे.
So that's why I'm saying I will be able to take. So I mean to say that I have to talk 8 hours continuous straight.
Oh
Right.
my
So
God.
talking
No
is
break,
not done.
no break.
Yeah, it's break. Yeah, obviously, 3 breaks are there, 15
Stop,
minutes.
please stop the recording.
Yes. Anyways,
Yeah. So
so